everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Byte Boost. I hope you all are doing good. And in the last topic, we have covered XLOOKUP versus VLOOKUP, sum ifs, and COUNTIF. So if you haven't watched all those videos, the link has been given above. You can check out all those videos. And in this topic, we are going to talk about how you can separate the duration, the time format from this date. So simply let me add the time first. So let me add 0, 1 and 0, 2, 0, 3 and 0, 0. So again, if I'll change this format, so as you can see here, this format, it is showing the time, and everywhere if I am going to check this format, so let me check this one, and let me change the date also. Okay, so 21, and here I'll change it to 5, and now if I'll press this, so this will change. So now let me change this one, and I'll select from the general the date. I'll go to the number, and here custom I'll go, and I'll select this format. Yeah, I'll add also second, and okay. Now as you can see here, this format, it is showing the time and the date. So now in this format, I just want to remove this time. Okay, so even though if I'll go and if I'll change to the date only, okay, so now still, as you can see, this duration is reflecting, though we'll not able to see the duration here in this format, but duration is still there. It will create a problem whenever you are going to use pivot table out of this table. So simply how you can remove. So first select this table, and again you can go to the data, and here data we do have this text columns. So once you will click to the text columns, you have to go to the fixed width, and in this fixed width we have to click next, and this is the arrow. You can choose as many arrows you can, and but for this we want only one arrow, and we will choose next, and not date format I would like to skip, but I would like to skip this duration. Again I'll click on do not import column, skip. So once you will click finish, it will start reflecting only date. So as you can see here, there is no duration included with this date. So I hope you understood how you can separate the time or duration from the date format. If you have any doubt or any queries, you can simply write on the comment section, and stay tuned with the Byte Boost. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.